7 finance office tricks that quietly steal thousands from you. Let me tell you where car deals quietly fall apart. Not on the showroom, not during negotiation, but in the finance office. You can fight for 2 hours, win the deal, feel great about walking in, and then lose thousands of dollars in the last 15 minutes. There's no yelling, no pressure, just paperwork and subtle moves. Today, I'm breaking down 7 finance office tricks that cost buyers thousands of dollars and exactly how you can shut them down. Trick number 1, payment packing. You sit down and hear, good news, we've got you at $642 a month. Sounds great, right? But notice what's missing. The total price, total finance, total cost of payments. Because if you saw those numbers, you'd just get up and walk out. They can stretch to the loan, buy warranties, add expensive gap, mark up the rate, and your payment barely changes. Well, here's how you fix this. Ask for total amount financed, total of payments, and the loan term. If they hesitate, that's your red flag. Trick number 2, the rate markup. Here's one most buyers never see. The bank approves you at, let's say, 5.5%. The dealer writes it in your contract at 7.5%. That's a 2% difference. That's pure profit. On a $40,000 loan, that's thousands of dollars extra. Now, here's how you fix it. Ask directly, what rate did the bank approve me at? Then stop talking. Your silence is pressure. Or better yet, walk in with your own pre-approval so you already know what rate you qualify for. Now they have to compete. Trick number 3, product bundling. You hear, we added protection for only $38 a month. What is it? Protection. That's not an answer. That's usually warranty, gap insurance, tire protection, random add-ons, all bundled so you can't compare. Now here's how you fix this. Break it all apart. What is each item individually? Is this optional? If you can't compare it, you can't evaluate it. Trick number 4, fear selling. What if your transmission fails, they'll ask. What if you total the car? They sell fear, not math. Here's what you ask. What's the failure rate? What's covered? Where's the actual contract? Not a brochure, because that's just for sales. The actual contract. Fear disappears when you force facts. Trick number 5, the silent re-add. You already said no to things like VIN etching, nitrogen tires, protection packages, and then suddenly they're right back in the contract, rather quietly because you're tired. Here's how you fix it. Compare the buyer's order versus contract line by line. If something reappears, just stop. Trick number 6, the term switch. You agreed to 60 months. Now the paperwork says 72 months. Why? Because they added products, then stretched the term to hide the cost. Payment stays close, but you just added 12 more payments, more interest, more risk. Here's how you fix this. I agreed to 60 months. Why is this now 72? Then wait for the answer. Trick number 7, the make 3 payments lie. They'll tell you just make 3 payments before you pay it off. That only protects their commission. Most auto loans do not have prepayment penalties. Here's how you fix this. Ask, is there a prepayment penalty? If they say no, say, show me where it says that. And if you don't trust what they say, make sure your term is over 61 months. Federal regulations prohibit prepayment penalties on any loans over 61 months. Here's the truth most buyers miss. The finance office is not an innocent place for paperwork. It's a profit center. You can win the deal up front, meaning on the car, and lose everything in the back, meaning how you pay for it. So slow down, ask questions, read everything, demand transparency, because speed benefits the seller, but structure protects you. Make sure you follow the homework guide so dealers can't rip you off.